This is not easy whatsoever. Look where I'm standing. Bravo.
In this video, you will see the most scenic hike that you can do in the Dolomites around this lake called Croda da Lago. So, let's go. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel for more adventures.
The trail and goes around the lake. So the whole point is for me to actually do the lake, go around the lake, see the views, and kind of find where I need to go basically from the refugio over there, basically the I suppose a hotel or of some sort. So I'm going to start the trek this way because I don't want to go that way. I want to end there. So yeah, I'll let you know. But views, wow. I suppose you guys are bored of me saying this over and over again, but like, come on. I mean, I am seeing the real thing, so I don't even think the camera does justice to this place. That's how beautiful this is. So check this place out when you get time.
If you're wondering how I got to this stunning lake, for that you'll have to watch the first part of this video. Please click at the top right corner of this screen to check that video out.
The lake is so clear. It's so fantastically clear. I don't even know how to describe it, to be honest with you. That I can literally, I don't know whether you guys can see, but I can see like plants. I can literally tell the depth of this lake, essentially. I don't know whether you guys can see this, but I'm going to try my best to show you what I'm looking at right now. I don't know whether you guys can see this. I have no... Well, I'm sure you are seeing yourself now, me holding the camera, of course. But there's a lot of depth to this lake. And it's absolutely crystal clear, as you guys can see. So I have made to the other side of the lake. It's a very small lake, so the walk is around about 10 minutes. But of course, with me being me, I take a lot of pictures and a lot of videos. So it took me quite a long time, but that's what it looks like from the other side. And bloody hell, that is beautiful. And that's the refugio that I'm going to. And then you have a couple of mountains in the back as well, but obviously I can't really show you because I don't know what they are.
I sat down and had some quality lunch.
It's vegetable soup.
After that, I made my way towards Forcella de Formin, another stunning viewpoint of this hike.
The place where I had food said that I need to go this path to get to the elevation of 2,400 meters, because that's where I don't know whether you guys can see this. That's where the hotel was, or the place where I had food. I suppose a restaurant or whatever the hell you want to call it. I'm not sure whether you can actually sleep there or not, but the whole point is that I need to go around this mountain here, to go around it and go all the way back to the car, if I want to enjoy the views, that is, which basically means that I can just go back the same way I came. But the problem is it's 5:30, 6 o'clock right now, which basically means that it's going to be a 4-hour round trip for me, 3 to 4 hours, and I'm risking losing out a lot of sunlight just so I can see some views. I suppose that's the price I have to pay for amazing views. I am also missing my drone as well, because, well, a drone in this weather surrounding these mountains, imagine a drone going around that. Bloody hell, it'll look amazing. Kind of feels really, I feel like I missed out basically by not bringing my drone. For those of you wondering what happened to my drone, it broke. Need a new one, or basically need new propellers and then it should be okay. So I suppose it'll give me an incentive of coming to this place again and trying to capture the true beauty of these peaks one more time. View. Look at that. Camera can't do justice to this, even though it's 32 megapixel front camera. Doesn't do justice to how beautiful this place is, honestly. Your eyes, that's all you really need, to be honest with you. But I suppose I've got to show it to someone, and this is good for memories, I suppose. When you take videos like this and you post on YouTube, that's another way of kind of convincing yourself that you should post, because this is memories all clogged into one, I suppose. So the plan is to follow this route right there. And of course, as you can see, the views are stunning as usual. It's a beautiful lake there, but there are loads of donkeys over there, so I decided not to actually go check that out. And the fact that we don't have a lot of time, not that I'm scared of donkeys or anything, they were just minding their own business and I just don't want to scare them away. So something useful for you guys: the routes that you need to know about when you're hiking this area. Stop your car at Route 437. Divert from Route 437 to Route 434 to see Via Negra. Carry on Route 434 to Croda da Lago, the lake. Then eat if you want to eat, basically fuel up, and then carry on 434, get to can't remember the name of that place, but I'll put it in the description. And then turn around, oh yeah, actually I know, to Forcella di Formin, that's the one it's called. So you go to Croda da Lago. From there you go to Forcella di Formin, and from Forcella di Formin you take a round tour on Route 435, which is where I'm on right now. Trying to head back, but I'm going to stay there to see the sunset and of course these amazing views. And you go back onto Route 437, and then you take Route 437 down to wherever you parked your car. That is my suggestion that you guys should take. I will be looking back at this video myself, to be honest with you, and if I want to take a trip here, and if I have people asking me where's the best place to go to, or where's the best hike in Dolomites, this baby right here, it comes pretty close to it, believe it or not. And it's not me who's saying that it's the best hike or best route to take in Dolomites. The most famous website called In a Faraway Land, that's what it's called, .com, voted this place to be the best hiking spot for I say it's easy to moderate hikers like me. So I would definitely recommend that you guys should check this place out. It's about to get really tough for me, so because I'm going to go higher in elevation. That's about 2,400 meters. So I'll see you in the next one. This is hard, but let me tell you something. A trick that I have learned by hiking many times in various regions across the world. So I have an elevation, of course, gotta go straight up. But if I keep looking at that, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna say to myself, shit man, this is difficult, I can't do this anymore. So the best thing to do is one step at a time. That's one thing you need to remember, one step at a time, right? Number two, put your eyes literally on your feet and where you're gonna step, not at the destination. And I use the same thing in my day-to-day life as well. Like sometimes making $1 million, for example, sounds crazy for me, very difficult. But at the same time, one step at a time, you know, 1,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, 250,000, 500,000, and then $1 million. So, or 750,000, depending on how you are. So, you know, stop causing obstructions in your life, and stop giving yourself a reason to stop. Okay, that would be one of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the camera off, and I'm just going to focus on this, and I'll turn the camera on when I'm right up there. That's where I'm going. That's where I've come from. I can't even express the level of emotions I'm feeling right now. I could actually cry out of tiredness because it's been about 7 hours since I've been hiking. Partly why I'm wearing the glasses as well, because my eyes are messed up right now. Look, I am quite tired. At least I know one thing though. I'm gonna have an amazing sleep. Amazing. I've sat down. That's where I came from. Obviously these are the views. This is just magnificent, of course. And it's going probably going to take more, about 20 minutes possibly, not sure, but it's worth it. I must say 435 is the hardest path to take in this region. 435, don't avoid it of course because it's hard, but it offers views like this. So are you kidding me? Like, are you telling me that it's so hard for you that you can't come here, sit here on your own, listen to this and just chill? Made it to the top, all the way down from there, at least like 2 miles, with a elevation of about 400 meters, because this is 2,400 meters now. Sun's about to go down, so I gotta stop making my descent after taking some pictures. But that's, you might be wondering, what does it look like from the top? It looks pretty standard, nothing too spectacular, but more views I see, I will keep you updated, of course. I'm so out of breath because 435 hiking trail is the hardest one that you can do by a mile. So now 435, still on 435 by the way, trying to go to 437 now, and then from 437 we'll go back down there, and that'll be all. But also I want to, oh look at that sun. Well, too bad you can't really see much, but I also wanted to show you something. Look at this. So I know you might think like, stop being a whiny puny little bitch, and don't worry, but like the fall was pretty bad, I must say. Fall was bad. This doesn't really hurt that much, but yeah, prepare yourself for this. These kind of things does happen. They will happen. I'd say probably get like a tetanus shot afterwards, and that should really take care of you.
The sunset from this point was a true highlight of my day. It truly summarized the amazing adventure I had that day.
It's coming up to 7:30 right now. I'm heading back down. It looks absolutely beautiful, as usual. Came from there. You were seeing this mountain before, and yeah, it's gonna take me about an hour and a half to head down, but worth every second. Well, the sun has gone down and I'm still making my way down, so I don't know whether I'll be able to get down by the time this light goes away and darkness befolds. But yeah, I think there's nothing more that I can actually show you, to be honest with you. But I hope that you enjoyed the journey with me. I hope that you really liked what I showed you, and I hope I've inspired even one person from this video to come here and do this and kind of live life to their true potential, basically. So I really appreciate if you could drop me a like, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more content. Also comment down below, where would you like me to go next? Of course, what would you like me to see? Where would you like me to go explore? What would you like me to show you, essentially? And yeah, if this video does not get published, you will know that I am dead. If this video does get published, you know that I'm still alive. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care.